Welcome to Harrahs, SoCal in Funner, California. This property has a lazy river, a swim-up pool bar, a full spa, a delicious steakhouse, and more. Surrounded by the beautiful mountains is a sight to see. This week, I'm staying in the oh-so suite on a high floor, and it's oh so sweet. The long walk down this hallway is very much worth it. A corner suite at the end of the building. Yes, please. Nice little half bath off the entryway. Some nice artwork. 4-person dining room table. Unique and interesting lighting. Time for shots as we go out to the balcony and enjoy the view. Being in a corner suite has its perks, and the views are just one of them. Let's take a look at the master bedroom. Full-size safe. Plenty of USB plugs. Automated curtains. At night, the view looks just as good. My favorite spot to sit and drink was right here. Now into the master bathroom. Take a nice soak and have a view. Double sinks. And a little stool for a makeup counter. It's got a very spacious shower. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and click that bell so you'll get immediate notifications when I release a new video. Click on one of these to see more amazing suite tours from hotels and resorts.